Bottom Line Phonetic Speech Laboratory has been installing a modern language laboratory with state-of-the-art audiovisual equipment to aid in imparting language skills in schools, colleges and universities since 1998, not only in the Philippines but also overseas. It already have installed 5 speech laboratories in Tanzania, East Africa like the Vocational Education and Training Authority VETA Mtwara, VETA Lindi, VETA Mikumi, Arusha Technical College, Mwanza Vocational Training College. And it is also expanding towards Ghana and other African countries, the countries in the Middle East, the member countries of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. The Phonetic Speech Laboratory proves beneficial for those students who are poor in use of English language. It aims at confidence building among students for interactions and presentations in English. The main objectives of the language laboratory are 1. To equip the students with good communication skills. 2. To emphasize the need of English in the technical world. 3. To prepare them for interviews in future job environments. 4. To train the students in the art of conversation and discussion. Phonetic Speech Laboratory is useful to enrich a student's language learning experiences. This language lab is equipped with modeling tools that illustrates how sounds are produced, backed with pronunciation exercises, and it has audio recording facilities which help a mode of evaluation and feedback. By the self-study function, students can have self-evaluation of their pronunciation performance. They can identify the areas that need to be improved or changed. You also have full control of all the activities, and you can also make the final necessary evaluation of your students' pronunciation performance and introduce remedial measures to areas that you detect that need to be improved. You might want to visit www.bottomlinephoneticSpeechLab.com for more information, or you simply type in your browser Best Speech Laboratory and you can reach Bottom Line Speech Laboratory and view different kinds of videos posted on Facebook and YouTube. Or if it is convenient for you, you may send email to bottomlinespeechlab@yahoo.com or call 092053947111 to enjoy more incentives and bonuses. Call now.